Hi traders, Yuri is here with weekly Forex analysis for the weeks ahead ending November 3rd. Guys, before we start, please thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and leave some comments below. This video, as in this video, you will know my Forex thoughts for major currency pairs, as well as for gold, BRENT, and Dow Jones index. So let's get started. As usual, we start from EURUSD weekly time frame. So it still continue to the downtrend. Okay, we have some pause for past few weeks, but overall the trend is down. It's clear. As you remember, I discussed it 2 weeks ago. So at that time we closed below 1.0555, but now we back above this level, and you see it's just the price for EURUSD found some support around this level, but overall I don't see a lot of opportunities to come to the upside, as yeah, all the currency pairs, major currency pairs, I mean, very weak against US dollar, and so for me it's picture perfect and clear that we don't need to fight the trend. No signs yet for reversal signals. It's just consolidation, and next week we will have some great major news. First of all, it's on Wednesday, it will be a FOMC press conference and the federal funds rate as well on Wednesday, and on Friday it will be a well-known non-farm payroll data. So what does it mean for us? It means that there will be a lot of volatility for us, for retail traders, and for other traders as well. Just be aware about it. I don't trade the news, but at the moment when news will release, it will be a lot of chaos, yeah, on the market, and some spikes, ups and downs. So be careful. Use money management wisely, and stop loss as well. Of course, don't ever trade without stop loss, guys, because you never know what will happen on the stock market. Before you open any trade, just first of all take care about your stop loss position size, and just, yeah, this is a tip from me. So what to discuss here? You see, not much happened last week. Just price almost touched 1.07 level, but then reversed by the end of the week, and yeah, just discuss still trading around this level support, and I expect next week that we will break through this level and go to the downside. So on the other hand, if you see price going up and close above 1.07, it means that we are in the technical correction, let's say, after such a long run to the downside. From, you see, from this point in the market, from 1.12 down to 1.05, 700 pips roughly, without any major pullback. Like, so this one is just a small one, and now you see you have some signs of possible pullback. Okay, pullback happened, but usually if you take FIBO, what I want to see, if you take FIBO from this point to this FIBO retracement, we want to see at least 50%, let's say, retracement, meaning that price will go up as high as 1.0860 roughly, or even 61.8%, or it means 1.01. But take into account overall market conditions and EURUSD in particular, I don't see any major corrections or huge correction, let's say, to the upside, and just stay on the seller side, and yeah, trade with the trend. And as discussed before, this pattern head and shoulders, I think it's already completed. If we measure it once again, it's 400 pips. Yeah, it's more than 400 pips from the point when we broke the neckline. The price dropped 460, almost 470 pips roughly. So yeah, it's already released, nicely played out with pattern, head and shoulders, and so the next targets below 0.5. So recommendation is sell on strengths, guys, and based on price action on Friday you see some small pin bar, but as already said, it's just around support, and yeah, just keep patient and wait for Wednesday and Friday as well for volatility, and then make decision. GBPUSD, yeah, it's almost the same picture, still in the downtrend, nice downtrend, close below 1.22. Again, you see price rejected from this level. It's on the weekly time frame. You see rejection trying to go up and then finally close below, meaning that sellers are in control. It's clear, and this is a descending channel, still respected by the traders, and the boundaries of this channel is still very well and played out nicely. You see here it was like spike to the upside, but then price rejected, and sellers push prices again below 1.22 and inside this channel. And on Friday as well, small pin bar reversal signal from the top of the channel. So yeah, sell on strengths, and if we expect the price will continue to the downside, meaning that down to this level, it's around 1.18, and yeah, it's for us it means another 300 pips. Nice, and we gonna wait it, guys. Yeah, just what to do, just wait, and the price slowly but surely going down and down, and here it was as well, head and shoulders pattern, the same as for EURUSD, and played out as well, 500 pips. It's even more, I presume. Yeah, it's 672 pips. Nicely responded the market from technical point of view. So sell on strengths. Next pair, AUDUSD. It's again, it's bearish, very bearish, downtrend. Trading now between 0.64 and 0.63, just 100 pips in consolidation. So for us, it means we are not very interested in such market conditions, because you see it just going back and forth, up and down. But you see now the maximum it's low. Yeah, if we connect these points in the market, the highs. Yeah, you see high, but it's low and low, and kind of triangle pattern. Usually it means that it will finally should broke in line with in line with trend. Now it's downtrend, and for us it meaning that we expecting that price finally will break through 0.63 level and continue to the downside. So yeah, sell on strengths, sell on signals, and if you are a conservative trader, just wait and see. Wait until the moment when price finally broke this level 0.63 and close the week, for instance, or on daily basis. If you close below this level, support level, for us it means okay, sellers finally broke it, and then we can resume selling with our stop loss putting, let's say, above 0.64, just nearest maximum. Price maximum. Okay, USDJPY still trying to close above 150, but not yet. Consolidated under this resistance level. I discussed it in my last analysis, and yeah, you see just how slow market now. Yeah, you see the candles, the body of the candles is very small. Just almost sometimes you barely see it. Yeah, but on Friday it was rejected. But Friday not a very important day, because it's a lot of traders close positions before the weekends and so on. So overall expected, yeah, the price will go up and above 150. So I would recommend to buy, but again wait for major economic news. But news sometimes it's just no noise. Yeah, news it's like noise, because already price action was the method which I use, and it's already show you what to do. It's like naked chart you see on my screen. It's almost naked, just levels, support, resistance, sometimes channels, and sometimes I use FIBO as well. But overall, its price action is just pure technical analysis. This is what you need in the market. Nothing no fancy stuff like some RSI or stochastic and so on, other indicators, because they are always lagging in time, and price action show you exactly what's going on now in the market, and this is what traders from all over the world decided by the end of the particular day or week or month. For us, as we're focusing on daily time frames mostly, but the higher the time frame, the clearer the picture. If we, for instance, now for the moment I switch to the weekly on USDJPY, you see clearly that we are in the uptrend for the last year, let's say, from December 2022. We just start with running to the upside and now still continue. Yeah, and this is an important area, 150 in the market, very important resistance area. So that's why you see price just stuck for a while here, for a few weeks already, before we're gonna see the release to whether to the upside or to the downside. We don't know yet, but I don't have crystal ball, guys. But what the technical analysis shows us and price action, that the buyers are still in control, no signs for reversing yet, and we can expect that sellers will push the price above this 150 level and beyond. So yeah, I would recommend to buy gold. Now switch to the gold. Gold very strong. You see we closed finally 2000 just quickly. You see how quick it was, just from this pin bar signal on the weekly time frame up to 2000. It's $170, meaning 1000 pips, 1700 pips if you just take it like this. Yeah, from this one, yeah, 1000, almost 800 pips to the upside, and just strong push to the upside due to geopolitical factors. You know what's going on in the world. And yeah, the next target it's 2040 and then 2070. It's all-time high on my chart, at least. You see 2070, it was twice reached twice in February 2022, and then in presume something around April 2023 this year. So it's like double top, yeah, reversing, but now to the upside again. So I think from the third attempt we're gonna see pushing higher on the monthly as well. Nice candle. And on the daily, now I'm on daily time frame. You can see how we close. So I would recommend to buy on weakness if you see some reversion signs, but to be honest, I don't expect too much reversion and too much pullback, as already mentioned, due to some events in the world. So just trade, but be careful, yeah, because correction will happen at some point in the market, sooner or later, but you never see price just going to the upside and clear all the resistance or support. And in our case it's resistance we are talking about, as you know, in the nice uptrend. So I would recommend to buy on weakness. Dow Jones, it's continue to the upside, or to the downside, sorry, yeah, as discussed, starting here, and now, yeah, it was bearish candle last week, and golfing candle, and this week as well, close below 32,800. And by the way, I discussed this market, I discussed futures. Yeah, it's not like cash. Dow Jones, it's futures. So I trade futures for Dow Jones. In case you have a question why my prices on chart are different from your chart, guys. So for me it's futures, but this is what I trade, and yeah. But anyway, it's cash and futures. It's one difference in the number of index itself, but anyway, it's the trend, it's the same. If we have bearish cash, we have the same for futures as well. So now it's bearish, and next target 32,000, and I presume that FOMC statement and press conference, as well as rate decision for rate and non-farm, it's all will be like a fuel used by traders in order to push the price down and down, because now we are in bad economic situation in the world and US as well. So yeah, I expect continue to the downside, and I would recommend to sell on strength if you see some correction to the upside at the beginning of the week, and then Wednesday or Thursday, Friday, just wait for price action signal and sell with the idea to go down. And as you can see on my channel, it's a descending channel. Now we broke through the bottom of the channel. On Friday we broke through it, and yeah, it's a very strong push to the downside. Even it's Friday, if we measure the pips from high to the bottom, from the high to the bottom, it's around 570 pips. It's nice movement. So I would recommend to sell. Finally guys, Brent oil. Let's discuss oil as well. Oil closed below 90, but I think it's temporary, as you can see on the Friday, or not Friday, on the chart. It's bullish, actually pin bar formed on last week. By the end of the week, nice pin bar buying a signal, so we can expect that price will push to the upside. Okay, first maybe some correction, but then push to the upside above 90, and then 96. Our target for the next week is 96, and then for 100 as well. And this channel, ascending channel, you can see price nicely respected the bottom of the channel. You see this touch here. Last week you see it was touched 1, 2, 3, 4 touches, but finally close above and on the way to the upside. So some correction happened. Of course, okay, it was push to the upside, then correction to the bottom of the channel. Okay, next leg to the upside, again correction, and now we expect some push to the upside as well from the technical point of view. On the other hand, if you will see that price close below this border of the ascending channel, it means that it will open up the doors for 84 and then 79. But again, I don't see low prices due to situation in the world, and yeah, this is the demand is high, and due to this some worries and tension, yeah, price is just going up for commodities, gold and oil as well, and other stuff. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. I would recommend to buy oil as well, with the idea to go above 90 again, and 96 next target. I hope with some weekly Forex analysis for next week was helpful for you guys. Thanks for your time. Please thumbs up, leave your comments below, and trade safe. Join me on my social media. All the links you can find in the description below this video. And I wish you a good trading week. Trade safe, guys, and stay tuned, and see you soon. Bye bye. Yuri was here.